Apple's iPhone camera team is known for making world-class shooters to tuck in your pocket, and with the iPhone 7, Apple claims that it has the best camera in the market right now. Let's compare it to the current king of smartphone cameras, the Galaxy S7, and see if the iPhone 7 really lives up to the hype. I know, these are just the samples and not the actual video of me comparing the cameras of these two phones. Part of the reason is that I don't have the iPhone 7 yet. But hey, these are the high-quality samples that you can see and decide which phone outshines the other. In certain cases, iPhone 7 beats the S7 hands down, but in other cases, or lightings I must say, S7 has an edge over the iPhone. Do let me know, who do you think has the better camera based on these samples, in the comment section below.